Hi guys, thank you for tuning in to another video. I realized while editing that I did not record an intro for this video, but basically it's just me prepping and packing for my upcoming trip. So yeah, let's get to the video. Thank you.
She smells like this? No, she's not supposed to be smelling like this. The lighting in here is kind of... Honestly, it kind of smells good. You don't like it? Just think of this as a perfume though, not as a scent. Let me see. It's a lot going on in this. It smells like lemon and mint and fragrance.
I've been wanting to buy one of these.
They have new.
Huh?
They have new. You wanna see Glossier?
What is it?
Okay. Wow. Wait, which one's the one that you're talking about? This one. But why does it look like pink? Perfecting skin tone.
Why am I smelling it like a perfume?
I really need a new skin tint, even though I like the one that I have.
I don't know. I think I kind of want to do the Rare Beauty.
Rare Beauty has a skin tint?
Yeah, I've been to you.
This one looks like it's not cute.
I heard that this one was good. I've been wanting to try it.
Okay. What is that? Damn. They actually have my shade. Shade?
Damn, all up in the camera. Back up.
I can't. This is as good as it's gonna get. They actually have the one I've been wanting. And I feel like these are always sold out. Like I always find these sold out, but I actually got the one that I wanted. And this is the only one left, so I know it's meant to be. I know it's meant to be. So we just got done shopping at Sephora to grab a couple things for our trip, which I'm very excited for. You guys will see later in the next video probably. After this one, we're probably gonna go thrifty because we have a couple of clothes that we need to get before we go. I plan on going shopping out where we're going, but we probably are gonna need a little bit more. Don't worry, where we're going has good clothes. So how much did you spend? How much did you spend?
I'm surprised it didn't decline.
How much you spend?
$59.
$59. So we just got to the thrift store. Vanessa, come back, sister. Come. Okay. We're at the thrift store now, but I've never really been blessed by the thrift gods when it comes to finding something. My luck is not okay. My friends though, they be finding good clothes.
Everywhere here, looking, Lottie like that, she finds everything before she gets it.
That's what I'm saying. Like I never get good stuff. It doesn't get good. It doesn't get good. Hopefully I can find some good stuff, but it's not looking like it. And I just got here. I'm not preying on your downfall. Wait, this is kind of cute. I don't even know the weather. I heard that it's gonna be really, really rainy where we're going, but my friend that's already out there said, oh, you can't even see me. My friend that said that, my friend that is already out there is, are you laughing at me?
I just hear my friend. My friend is out there. My friend is already out there. Out there is my friend.
Look.
So.
My friend is already out there. Don't laugh at me. I don't know. I'm a little confused about the weather. it's supposed to rain, but it might be really humid, so I'm not really sure that it's gonna be, like, I'm a little confused right now. So I don't know whether to dress for the hot or for the cold. So I'm kind of bringing a variety of both right now, and hopefully I'll be all right when we get there. I mean, if not, I can always just buy stuff when I get there. It'll be all right. You're so mean to me. Come over and buy me. I can't say that right now.
They ate that song up.
They did. This is hot.
Yeah, okay.
It's hot. Like, it's hot and spicy. Hello?
It's hot like physically or hot like
Hello?
spicy?
Not just not focusing.
Really? Nice and crisp.
It's good. Uh-oh.
Girl.
What? Oh, it's stuck. That's not my fault. Just abandoning it. Hi guys, it is currently 2 and I just got off work, and I went to go grab my cat some of her food, and I'm about to go get my hair done. I need to get it cut, and I think my mom is gonna dye it, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be today or tomorrow. So I'm pretty sure I'll do a reveal after all of it's done, and then I'll see you. Here's the after of my hair. What do you guys think? It's really red, redder than I usually do, and I also got it cut, so it's definitely shorter. I decided to go shorter because last time it was a little too long, and I feel like it doesn't have the shape that I want on my head, but I'm not sure if I like it this short. I think it looks nice. I think it's just something I definitely have to get used to. Oh, and I also forgot to show you guys my nails. Here are they now. These are it. I have a super duper exclusive nail artist that does my nails. I'm her only customer because she loves me. But these are what she did today. She slayed them down. If anybody's wondering, I get all of my inspiration from Pinterest. Of course, it's the best way to go. Good morning, guys. It is currently 7:17 in the morning, and my trip is tomorrow, and I still need to pack and get my life together because I like to wait till the last minute to get anything done. So let's go get packed. But first, I want to make some coffee. from brown sugar. I meant with brown sugar. But it's literally so good. My friend told me to try it, and I've just been using it ever since. Like, it's so good. Oh, you can't even see that. Can't see what's going on in there. But it's so good. I don't know about y'all, but I love oat milk opposed to almond milk, because I feel like almond milk changes the taste of your coffee, but oat milk doesn't. Tell me if I'm weird. I don't know, but that's how I feel about the oat milk and almond milk situation. I got that creamer from Trader Joe's, so. Give me one. Okay, I have my 2 bags, or 2 suitcases. One medium sized and one small one. This is what I'm going to take on my trip. I'm thinking I'm only going to pack one and then leave this one empty for what I'm going to bring back from where I'm going, because I plan on buying a lot there. So let's get started. Since my trip is a long time, I'm not really planning outfits for every day. I'm planning on just bringing a bunch of clothes that I like and styling them later. It's my first time packing for such a long trip, so I really don't know what I'm doing. I bought packing cubes. Like I said earlier in the video, I do not know what the weather is going to be like. My friend that's already out there said that it's hot, but I'm not sure. Because I seen a TikTok and this place said, well, I looked it up to see like what the weather is during the time that we're going, which is July. And a lot of people talked about how it's really, really rainy. Like it rains a lot out there. So I'm not really sure what's gonna be going on. I haven't even been showing what I've been doing, but I'm only been packing mostly basics. I just recently bought some white, gray, and black shirts, which is great because I've been needing some basics. I feel like when I've been trying to find my style, it just has not been working out for me. So I wanted to start from the bottom up, which starts with basics, because I ain't got none. I actually really like this shirt. I got this shirt from, I think, Brandy. It's literally so cute. It has like a little cat and a little baby.
If I could tell you,
I don't
think you'd believe how long I've felt this way.
Look at this shirt I just bought. I got it from Uniqlo in the kids section. But it was literally so cute. It was like right when I was walking out of Uniqlo.
All the possibilities,
I have
there
to
could
have
be
this
a
cute
place for
thing.
you and me.
It's the peanuts. Come on.
Under the stars, you pack up your car, 'cause you're going far away from here. I wish I could stall, but I never call, and you're going all.
At the very end, I decided that I wanted to do my eyebrows before I left for the trip so that I can have a nice, clean, and sleek look. So I like to take a little, what is this called? I don't know, a little knife thing and really get in there. Usually I prefer to pluck my eyebrows, but lately I've been doing other things, like not plucking my eyebrows and shaving them instead. But I think I might go back to the other stuff, plucking. But I'm also going in with aloe vera because it's easy and it's nice and soothing. I've also decided that I wanted to dermaplane, I think that's what it's called, on my face. I know it's not recommended to do yourself. It's more of a medical thing, so somebody professional to do it. But I decided to do it myself. Disclaimer, I do not encourage anybody to do it themselves, but if you want to, do it. And yeah, I think the video is coming to a close. So I'm very, very, very grateful for you guys tuning into this video. And I will see you in the next vlog, which happens to be my travel vlog. And I'm so excited to take you guys on the trip. And I hope you guys enjoy that video. Until next week, I'll see you. Peace.